I of course like my steak medium rare. There's only one way to eat steak, and that is medium rare. So let's see how this sauces will go with some nice hot sauces. I love it. I just love it. Um, this is the Mozambican peri peri. So I'm just gonna dump some here. Just so by the way, I just finished a lekker barbecue. Well, a lekker braai barbecue here by us. And let's see how steak goes with these sauces. This is the Mexican peri peri from Johnny Exberg. Mm, very nice. Wow, I really love the sauces.